Wood. Wood is a natural material derived from the trunks, branches, and roots of trees and woody plants. Numerous items can be made from it for home use. Number 1. Furniture. Furniture like tables, chairs, cabinets, and shelves serve functional and aesthetic purposes, providing comfort and storage solutions in homes. Number 2. Flooring. Hardwood or laminate flooring adds style and durability to living spaces, enhancing the overall look and ease of maintenance. Number 3. Decor. Decor items such as picture frames, wooden art, and sculptures personalize interiors, reflecting artistic expression and cherished memories. Number 4. Kitchenware. Kitchenware, including cutting boards, utensils, and bowls, aid in food preparation and cooking tasks, making the kitchen more efficient. Number 5. Doors and windows. Doors and windows made from wood provide security, insulation, and architectural character both inside and outside the home. Number 6. Storage. Storage solutions like chests, closets, and storage bins help organize belongings and reduce clutter in living spaces. Number 7. Outdoor structures. Outdoor structures such as decks, fences, and pergolas create functional and inviting outdoor areas for relaxation and entertainment. Number 8. Home accessories. Home accessories like mirrors, coat racks, and lamp bases add decorative touches and functionality to various rooms. Number 9. Home renovation. Wood paneling, wainscoting, and crown molding enhance interior aesthetics during home renovations, adding texture and elegance. Number 10. Garden and yard. Wooden garden and yard items like planters, birdhouses, and garden benches contribute to outdoor aesthetics and provide practical elements for gardening and relaxation. Wood, as a timeless and versatile material, is an essential part of our homes and lives. Its enduring appeal, from functional furniture to decorative accents, enriches our living spaces and connects us to the natural world. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos.